Hello, my name is Steph Tisdell, and I'm a very proud Yidinji woman from the Atherton Tablelands, especially Yungaburra. This is a special place close to my home where I like to come and relax and enjoy nature. I look with my eyes to see everything around me, the tall forest, grey gum trees, rainbow lorikeets and rainbow bee-eaters. I listen with my ears to hear the creaking of the bamboo in the wind, cackling of kookaburras, and the splashing of the birds as they land in the nearby waterhole. Today, I have a story to share with you. But before I do, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet, the Yagara people and the Turrbal people. And I do this because doing an acknowledgement of country is such an important thing, to feel very, very grateful and thankful to those who allowed us to live and work in this beautiful place that we call Brisbane. Now today, I'm going to read you The River, written by Sally Morgan and illustrated by Johnny Warrkatja Malibirr. Let's do it. I love the river near my home. I look with my eyes. I listen with my ears. I learn about the life of the river. Look with your eyes. What do you see? I see green ants. Crawl, crawl, crawling